example to expression, one expression. Okay. See, do you think this is an expression?
It means 4
See,
times something equals plus 3 equals something.
yes, this is expression. Okay. I'm writing you one equation now. Can you tell me the difference? Can
The
you? Yes.
equation has an answer and the expression doesn't.
Yes, come again, come again. Expression.
The expression doesn't have an answer and the equation has an answer.
Yes, yes, yes. That is a very good answer, Prisha. See, in this, this is, we called it as what expression, right? Expression,
Yeah.
right? So in this expression, so can you see two terms? How many terms are here?
Yeah.
Two terms are there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The one is constant. Yes. The
Yeah.
other is, what we call it? Can you tell me?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's called variable. See, here, do we know the value of x? Do we know the value of x here?
No.
No, no. So, this is called variable. Variable, what is the meaning of variable? Something that changes its value, right? Varies its value. So, x is called here as variable and 3 is constant. Can you remember? Can you memorize? You have learned it in previous classes in 7th grade, I guess. Yes. The constant terms are what? Numerals, right? Why do we call it as a constant term? Because it doesn't change its value, right? Any numerical value doesn't change its value. So we call any numerals as constant. Whereas here, see, 4x, I told 4x, right? I can give any values to the x. Let us say, put the value of x as 1. So 4x becomes what?
4 times 1
is 4. Yes, very good. If I put x value as 2, what is the value of 4x?
8.
Yes, very good. So, this term, the complete term is changing its value according to the x value, right?
Yeah.
So, x we called it as what? Variable. Because it's varying its values, okay? Okay, let me erase it. Eraser, fine. Okay, can you give me one more example for any expression? I'll come to the equation later. Can you just give me one example for
5x minus 2.
Yes, very good. How many terms it has?
2.
2, yes, very good. And can I know the constant term here?
Is 2.
Yes, very good. And what about variable?
5x.
Yes, very good. So 5x. And we have missed one more concept in this expression. What is this 5 here? Who is this 5 to the x? What's the relation 5 is making with the x?
Times multiplying.
Yes, times multiplying. So anything which is multiplied to the variable is called as coefficient. Do you remember?
We didn't learn that, like the
Oh,
names.
okay, okay. So let's see. This is a variable, right? If I multiply x with the 5, then 5 is called as coefficient of x. 5 is coefficient of what? X term, variable term. Okay, fine, got it. So we have learned 3 terms here. The one is constant, the other is variable, and coefficient of x or variable. Fine. Okay, now x plus 1. Can you tell me the coefficient of x here?
Pardon?
Can you tell me the coefficient of x variable? X is the variable, right? What is the coefficient of x?
Any number.
See. Okay, okay, fine. Okay. Can you tell me the coefficient of x now?
6.
6. Yes, very good. Now, can you tell me the coefficient of x?
It's 0.
No. Listen. So, if nothing is there beside x, we have to take it as 1.
Oh,
Because 1 times of x is what? X itself, right?
yeah.
So, the quotient of x will become 1 if nothing is there. Got it? Now tell me, constant is what? Which term is the constant here?
2
Yes. And variable is?
x.
X square. Yeah, x is the variable. Okay. Can you tell me the coefficient of x square here?
1x squared.
Yes, very good. So if nothing is there, we have to consider it as 1 because 1 times of x square is x square only, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't mean, it means that x square, 1 times of x square is nothing but x square. So if there is no number beside to the x square, we should consider it as 1. Okay. So you know some basics, I guess. Okay. So when we call, okay. So I'm writing 5x minus 9. Okay. Is this his equation?
Yeah.
Yes. Because equation is, see, I'm not going through the formal statement. Okay. Let us not go to the formal statement. We will learn it informally only. So this is one expression and this is the another expression, right? If two expressions are equal to each other, are they equal to each other?
Yeah.
Then we call it as what? Equation. Fine. So any two expressions, okay, any two expressions, this is also one expression and this is also another expression, right? So
Yeah.
if they are equal to each other, then we call it as what? Equation. Fine, got it?
Yeah.
So this side we call it as a right hand side. This is to our right? This side is right?
Yeah.
So it is called as a right hand side. Fine. And this would be called as what, Trisha?
Left hand side.
Very good. LHS. When LHS term is equal to the RHS terms, we call it as equation. Okay. What is the variable in this equation? X.
X.
And what is the coefficient of x here?
6.
Very good. Fine. You got it. You're a quick learner, I guess. Well done. Okay, Prisha. Now, so what is the use of this equation, Prisha? We have taken this equation, right?
Yeah.
What is the use of this equation? There are many uses of this equation that you gonna like applications. So why? See, if we are learning something, there should be some reason, right, Prisha?
Yeah.
Yes. See, for what all this we will use, you gonna understand it in graph. Okay, that we will study in not higher grade, I guess. You people have, I guess, in GCSE curriculum. So, okay, through the graph, we can learn the slope of the bridge, the slope of the flyover. Okay, how is that all will come in coordinate geometry. Okay, in the graph. So now, through this, can I find, see, variable is unknown here, Richa?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I know the value of x here, variable here?
6.
Yes. See, 6x minus 1 equals to 9. And I want to find the value of x, which is unknown. This is unknown term, right, Prisha?
Yeah.
And I want to know the value of 6x. X. Say x, because x is unknown here. So what to do, Prisha? How